Okay, so I have to stop it after 13 minutes because unfortunately YouTube says that my videos are too long if they're over 13 minutes. And that's reached over the 13-minute mark, so meaning I'm going to have to break that up a bit and add it onto another piece. Maybe this will be it. But I can't add any more to it. Victories! Victoria! That's what it says. You gotta quit jumping into fights like that. Why? People back each other up. It's my friend. It's what friends do. I don't die as easy as you. I look at car battery and I'm fine. Drink some blood and you're back in action. What? I just saved your ass. And yes, I know you messages. And I'm trying to save you. People aren't food. They're people. I don't want you doing things tonight. You can't live with tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna rate that 4. Oh, 5 actually. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make this into 2 parts because of that. And,
look, man, that arc across is a big deal for these figures.
and I'm gonna save my data. Save. Yes. So on last episode, I upgraded my grenades on Infamous, and this is the continuous of the storm.
You know what? Maybe the room that I kept right next door. I'll go check that.
Well, I'll meet you at the cathedral. We'll retrace your steps when you first went in.
Yeah, look, man, I appreciate the offering, but I got this under control.
I'm gonna come up. You've got a few hours left.
It's too dangerous. I better go.
Alright, so that's it for me, and I'm going to save again since I just barely got the magma bolt. So I'm not saving in here. Yes. Okay, bye.